wanna be with somebody, spending all of the night moonwalking, and with a view she could see her building. Try to tell her I know I feel it, keep me floating, I'm on my back, slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't, find my way through the hotel lobby, think the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm with somebody, doing things that I usually don't, find my way through the hotel lobby, think the same when I'm on my own. And it's the end of the night, feel like you're dodging my eye, but then you're right by my side, tell me it's all in my mind.
And yes, my apartment is going to look like this until tomorrow. Because I got done with work at 10. It's 10:45. I'm going to bed. We're gonna deal with it tomorrow. Oh, please don't tell me I got. No, we're good. Okay, we're good. We will chit chat now. And I'm eating beef jerky. Ignore that. Okay, where do you go? Right here? Yeah, that works. I look like a mess. Anyways, welcome to the vlog. It's Monday. Yes, I did in fact get done with work just recently. I also found out I'm, can't tell, balding. So I need to de-stress somehow. So we're going to just get ready for bed. And then just worry about my problems tomorrow morning. We're gonna unpack everything tomorrow because I do not feel like doing it today. Ow, that hurts. First off, I use Clinique for Men, the charcoal face wash, and I've been using it for almost 5 years now, and it works good. Sorry if you guys can't see, I'm just doing this off camera. My arm is still covered in dragon fruit. Anyways, you're wondering why my arm is covered in dragon fruit. I bought frozen dragon fruit this weekend, a giant bag from Sam's Club. I didn't get home until 10 o'clock. This dragon fruit has been out of the freezer since noon. It is 10 hours later, and it's been sitting in my car at fridge temperatures. It unthawed, and it, I don't know, melted, dripped all over my car, on my apartment carpet floor, in my freezer, everywhere. So we are just going to take a very relaxing trip to get ready tonight, take my allergy meds, and go to bed because I can't worry about this. We're just gonna go to bed. We're just not gonna think about it. We're going to not watch TikTok for another hour. We're just gonna go to bed. On the bright side, I had a job interview today, and I think it went really well. Here's hyaluronic acid. I can't see it from The Ordinary. I'm still learning this new camera. So we're just gonna put a few on my face. And it went really well, I think. Don't follow what I'm doing. Next, niacinamide from The Ordinary. But yeah, it's been an I haven't moved my car yet. It's supposed to snow 5 to 9 inches tomorrow, so I need to go put my car in the garage. Now that the dragon fruit fiasco's done, I just am doing some vitamin C from Naturum. I don't know. And then azelaic acid from The Ordinary. And then, oh crap, I didn't even take my meds today. Like my vitamins and stuff. Okay, next up, we're just gonna do these Tula for my under eyes. I usually use something else, but I don't feel like taking it out. Laneige lip mask because I want a different one, but I need to use this up and it's taking forever. It's frozen. Okay. Meds are being taken and we are going to bed. That's not the one. That's the one. When I get back, I am going to, I don't even know. I was going to lotion my legs, but I don't even feel like doing that tonight. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm really sorry. This is really bad. No, oh. I need to mouthwash and put my mouth guard in. Let's go move my car and then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning because this is really bad. I'm sorry. Good morning, guys. I just brushed my hair after taking a shower. It's currently 9:30. I will change into work clothes around 12:30. We have to leave around 1:15 I think today because we're under a severe weather warning. If you can't tell. Let me just... Snow. Yay. Anyways, I just kind of had like beef jerky for dinner again. It's not dinner, breakfast. So that's pretty much it there. I still need to unpack like everything, take my vacuum out of the box to use, unpack all my bags that I have sitting everywhere in my living room. I also need to work on editing a YouTube video today, which I think I'll do. My watch is charging. Do around 10. I'm just watching TV, just watching YouTube videos right now in the background. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe do Legos if I have time. We're just going to eat like mac and cheese or something for lunch. We'll see. Maybe I did find a frozen leftover that I should use. I do want to make my dragon fruit ice cream, but one, the dragon fruit I think is frozen now. I haven't checked on it. And two, I need to clean out one of the ice cream containers, like finish it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I will unpack at some point today. I don't know when. We will see. But other than that, we're just going to edit a video in a little bit and watch TV. So I have to leave around 1:15. So at 10 I have about 3 hours left before I have to leave. I should probably just get my computer out. Now, actually, she needs to charge for a little bit because she did not get charged last night. I mean, she probably has half battery, but with uploading everything, that takes it out. So we're going to charge it, and then at 10 we will edit and then do other stuff that I need to get done on my computer. And then Dippin' Daisies releases their collab with Olive Lynn today, and I kind of like the swimsuits. I don't know if I'll buy one just because I don't know how it'll look on a heavy chest, but we will see. There's one design that I really like. Other than that, I don't have a whole lot going on. Like I said, I might do some Legos in a little bit, but we will see. I woke up with a headache, but I'm trying to get my hair to dry before I put my headache hat back on because otherwise it could be bad. But yeah, I also forgot to drink my collagen last night, so we're gonna have to make a drink today for my collagen. I don't know, like lemonade or something. I need to get lemonade here, but that's pretty much it. Next week's supposed to be below 0. I'll schedule my eye appointment for next week at 4:20 p.m. Wednesday, so we will have to come back here, shower, and then go back to New London, and it's supposed to be below 0, so that's gonna be fun. I'm trying to think of what else, but really there's nothing more besides unpacking my bags, which I don't typically unpack my bags until Thursday when I repack them. So I don't know, maybe just putting all my clothes in my bedroom. We'll see. I do have a package that I have to unbox, but we will do that later. I'll see you guys when I start editing my YouTube video or something. We're just having a chill morning. I don't have to work till 2, like I said, but because of the severe weather warning and the streets not being fully plowed, we are leaving at 1:15, and we will just get to work early. It takes 20 minutes to get there, so we're just gonna get there early. I did use leave-in conditioner. It's the raw sugar one. I've had it for a while, and it does really help with the strengthening of my hair, so my hair probably will take longer to dry, and that's why it looks more stringy right now. But we would just need to focus on this like really thinning patch. I did order Redken Biotin shampoo last night to use too, to help, but that's why I need to drink collagen this morning. But anyways, we're just gonna have a chill little morning. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, and I might do a workout in a little bit, like just a quick little ab session type thing, because clearly we're not going to the gym today. But I'll see you guys later. I'm making lunch now. I just edited my YouTube video. Headache Kef is on because we are feeling a little nauseous and I still have a headache. So we're gonna be taking some Tums in a little bit. But just making some mac and cheese right now. Freezing my brain off. And then, yeah, I did a little bit of abs, just a little bit. Again, wasn't feeling too good. That was really cold. Holy crap. We shouldn't take that off for a second. At 12:30, I'm going to get ready to go to work. It's currently 11:15. Just making lunch like in an hour. Had to rebook my eye appointment because they booked it as an actual eye appointment instead of just me getting my glasses. I still need to pack dinner for tonight, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, we'll get dressed and get everything packed around 12:30, get dinner packed, get dressed, get ready to go. Like I said, I still need to unpack my vacuum, unpack everything else. Tomorrow's Wednesday, so we'll see what we get to then, but yeah, that's pretty much it. This is terrible, whatever. I'm not sure what I'm doing for dinner yet. I may just pack like a soup or something. We'll see. We'll see what I feel like. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in a little bit when we do something more. I'm just chilling today. Took a little bit of a nap, but I'll see you guys. Hey guys, it's like 10:48 right now. I just threw a load of laundry in. I did a little Zumba workout today. I haven't done one of those since school, if you guys remember. Back in the day where I did a lot of dance cardio Zumba. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating so bad from it. I will put my sweatshirt back on, but I'm so sweaty right now. And then what else did I do this morning? Really, that's it. Besides than showering, my hair is still drying. And then I've just been watching YouTube. I was gonna go to the Y, but then I decided not to. My workouts right now are gonna consist of Zumba, 3:30. When I get to it. I don't have a treadmill, obviously, and then ab cardio, that type of stuff. I do want to get like a Peloton bike or something. I'm just not sure when. Other than that, oh, I did have to finish my YouTube video. I forgot to do thumbnail and all that, so I did that this morning too. Now I'm just waiting until 11:30 to just eat some lunch. I'm just gonna have some leftovers I found in the freezer and maybe heat up like I have like a lot of frozen grilled chicken, so maybe heat some of that up, I'm not sure. And then yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna get dressed around 12:30 again. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. I really was going to try to film a lot more, but that just did not end up happening this week. It is Wednesday, so we still have 2 more days. I do have to call about the job interview I have. Maybe I'll do that around the time I make lunch. We'll see. I don't want to do it right now. We'll do it around 11:30 or so, 11:45 or so. Or at work. I could do it when I get to work too, at 2 something. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Then I just gotta figure out that, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm just going to relax now, try to cool off from that. That was hot. Maybe I shouldn't have worn sweatpants while doing it, but I'll see you guys later. So I just did a Zumba HIIT workout by EMK Fitness. It was a Disney one, of course, like a Disney adult, but it was really good. If you can't tell, I'm a tomato now, but it was really good. I should probably like clean my face a little bit now because get the sweat out of my pores. But yeah, I'm down to a bra and shorts. That's why I'm covering up, because I'm a heavier chest. We don't need to show that on the internet. But yeah, just did that. Now I'm just going to wait a little bit, and then we're just going to eat a salad for lunch, because obviously I have a salad and it's gonna go bad. That's what I mean, obviously. But yeah, it was 25 minutes. It was really good. Tomorrow I need to pack to go home. Anyways, if you look at this, here's all my Ring notifications from when I was working out, and this one too. Yeah, so fun times. But yeah, now I'm just going to de-sweat, and then if I get cold, I'll throw a sweatshirt on, but others I'm just going to probably stay in these clothes until I change for work. But yeah, right now we need to de-sweat and relax a little bit, and then I'll eat lunch. But I'll see you. Actually, I'll take you guys with me. All I'm doing to, whoa, it's okay, a little body fat is normal. All I'm going to do, I did a little bit of core, like planked for like a minute, probably 30 seconds, and did some crunches and leg raises, V-sits, those type of things. Oh, stay. Yeah, you're balancing on towels, I'm sorry. There we go. I'm just gonna take some toner. Actually, what toner should I use? We're gonna use this one. The Hyaluronic Essence toner from People's Choice, or People's Beauty. And we're gonna clean it. I'm so sorry. Then we're gonna clean my face. And then we're going to just take some Hyaluronic Essence spray from Sola Sun Care. I'm just gonna do that. I really need to start wearing sunscreen on my face because I work outside. Where's my sunscreen? Is this one the glow one? No, this one isn't. Obviously not right now because I'm working at night. But we're gonna add that to my routine when it starts going back to days. And we're just gonna let that sit, and then if I have dry skin, I'll just put some moisturizer on later. But yeah, I'll let you take guys along when I make my salad for lunch. But now we're just gonna relax. I'm so out.